In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Moto Q from Motorola, and it's running on Windows Mobile. Thank you all so much for checking out our content, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos. And this one has some kind of Arabic text here on the front. Not familiar with what this text is, but it's definitely international. And we have some more of that text here on the side down below. Looks very cool. Printed in India. Now, I really like boxes like this, very unique with the text. Just makes it special, extra special, having that kind of text on the side. And we have two other stickers. I think this is upside down. Here's the IMEI sticker, packed in India, Motorola Q9h. And on the back, let's see, the vivid high-resolution flat screen, one-handed navigation with side controls and 5-way navigation, shortcut keys for all of your favorite applications, an ergonomic keyboard, and the Moto Q allows you to easily toggle between as many as 6 personal and corporate email accounts. Alright, let's open it up and see what we got. This phone is available for sale on our eBay store, so make sure to check out the link in the description down below. Here it is. Huge lens tape across. Still new in the box here. Now, a lot of people don't know this, but if you see that the Moto logo or the Motorola logo is blue, that means that it has a lens tape on there. And it's actually silver, but it's just a protective lens that keeps it from scratching. And on the back we have our 2 speakers, our SIM card slot, our IMEI sticker, and that's the button for the battery cover, I believe. SD card slot is here. Our micro USB charging port right there. And on this side we'll find our volume controls, our back button, and our center button, or select button, or camera button. Power button is the end. Let's check out the accessories on here. And on the insert, have a big ol' Motorola stamp. Here are the accessories. We have our AC adapter, our headset, our battery cover, and our user guide for the Moto Q9h. Here's our data cable, our micro SD card of 512 megabytes. Let's fix that, shall we? There we go. Our European adapter for the AC charger. And a little quick start guide for Windows Mobile. Really like the fact that it has all this different lettering from this language. Love that. Not sure what this one is. Here's our getting started disc. Windows Mobile 6 Standard on the phone. So there you have it. That is the Motorola Q9H. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this model with the full QWERTY keyboard. Pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, everyone, and we'll see you on the next one.